Hello all, in this video we will see how to add op-amp LM741 to LT-Spice. LM741 is a very common op-amp used by guys, right? So we already have a video on this, on how to uh, create a symbol and then add it to the LT-Spice from the PSpice model that is generated from TI website. So that link we will be posting in the description. Please do check. This is one more video where let us assume you already have a spice symbol and also a spice model and also a symbol. How do you do that? So what do you mean by spice symbol and model is, see here you can see we have a library file. This is like the spice model, and then this is the symbol which is dot asy in LT Spice. So we have LT Spice symbol, we have the PSpice model. So we'll see how to integrate both of them in using this, how we can import LM741 to LT Spice. So we will be including this in our GitHub page, and GitHub link is provided in the description. Please do check. Okay, now let us start. So the first thing that we have to do is, here we have uh, lib the library file and the symbol file, right? So we have to integrate these into our model, right? We have to integrate these into the LT Spice software so that we can use them. For that we have to go to C, okay, and then you go to your program files. Okay, here you will have something called LTC, and in this LTC you will have LT Spice, and then you will have library file. Go to library file and have open the sub. Okay, in this we have to place our PSpice model or whatever the model that you have, which is we already have it, so we are replacing it. Okay, continue. So it is in this particular folder, and then you have the symbol, right? Take the symbol, go back to the lib, and you have something called SYM folder. So you can place it directly here, or you can also place it in op-amp section. So for now, we'll let us place it here. Okay, you have LM741 placed in this particular folder. So we place the PSpice file as well as we place the symbol file. Okay, now let us go back to the LT Spice. So that means we already have the files placed there. Now let us try to get it from here. Okay, now directly we can say LM741. Oh, it's not showing up. What is the problem here? Okay, let us try to debug. Now as we added both the PSpice and the symbol to the respective folders, it should show up when you search here directly, because the name itself, you see, it is LM741. Let us see if it is case sensitive. No, right? So that means if you use lowercase or uppercase, it's still not searching. What could be the problem? So this is where we have a simple thing where we'll try to close the LT Spice, okay, and then we will try to open. Okay, now let us try to open again and go back, and uh, LM741. Oh, still it's not visible here. What is the problem? So remember that you might have installed LT Spice multiple times, or you might have your installation somewhere. Okay, or what happens is you have to refer to your actual directory of LT Spice and place the files. Now you see here in this component symbol window, you see we have it under C users, Srinivas, documents, LT Spice symbol and libsim. Now let us try to open the path that we have here. Okay, you see there is a difference between the path here. This is somewhere, and the actual directory that is being referred is somewhere. Now let us go to the actual directory. Okay, we are going to see users, Srinivas, and then we have documents. Under that we have LT Spice, and you see this is the path: users universe documents LT Spice, users universe documents LT Spice. So you have to match it. Now go to the lib, and you go to the sub and take the model and put it into this folder, paste it into this folder, and then go to the symbol folder and try to copy LM741 and put it here directly. So instead of putting into op-amp section, we are directly putting into a generic symbol. Now that we have used the proper library, proper path for placing the .lib and .asy, let us see if it comes up. LM741. Still, it's not coming up. Now, in this case, let us try to reopen LT Spice. Okay, so and let us try to go to the symbol and place LM741. You can see here it popped up. Okay, and you can place it and you can use it as per your requirement. Construct whatever the models that you want out of LM741 and use it. So remember that there are three things that need to be considered here. The first thing is you need .lib file, right? Right, that is the first one. And second one, you need .asy file. So asy file is the symbol. And third important point is check the proper path where they can be placed. Okay, so we will give the description in the path again. For our system, you can check from your side. And then the third point, in order to use this, restart the LT Spice. That is very important. So it's not just placing the file there, you have to restart the LT Spice as well in order to find the LM741. So these are the steps that you have to follow to see that LM741 is available. Now, the same procedure can be followed for anything, any symbol. That you want, any manufacturing part number that you want to be included into LT Spice, if you have the .lib file and if you have the .asy file. And one more point, remember that we will be giving all the paths here, the JIT path, and then the proper paths that need to be used, and you can download the files from our JIT folder and you can use it for your symbol inclusion. LM741 is a very commonly used op-amp, so it is important that we follow the structure. We also have a previous video, as we mentioned, for which we'll be providing the link in the description. Thank you.